everyone. So today you are going to learn about operations on rational numbers. So what are the basic arithmetic operations here? Addition, very good. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Next, division. Okay, so what is the symbol for addition? Addition symbol is plus, subtraction sign minus, multiplication sign is into, and division sign is divide by. Okay, so these are the four arithmetic operations. Using this addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, how to divide the rational numbers. Okay, so in the last classes you have learned how to add two whole numbers. So what is the sum of 2 and 3? Is it 5? Suppose two negative integers are there. What is the sum of two negative integers? Is minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Okay, so not only that, if you add two fractions, so what is the sum of two fractions? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is it 2 by 2. Okay, now so using the number line, how to represent 2 plus 3, how to represent? So first of all, you have to draw the number line, and so on the number line you have to mark whole numbers, so with equal distance. So 2 plus 3, that means you have to start at 2 plus 3 means you have to go 3 steps right side. So that is, so 1, 2, 3, you reach at 5. So like this you have done addition of two whole numbers. Not only that, addition of fractions, okay, subtraction of fractions we have learnt in the previous class. Today also you are going to learn how to add two rational numbers using the number line. Okay, so right, okay, take your notebooks and do the addition of whole numbers, addition of rational numbers using the number line. Okay, so take any two rational numbers. So for example, 7 by 3 plus of minus 5 by 3. Look here, 7 by 3 plus minus 5 by 3. So how to add this one? So here two signs are there, plus and minus. Okay, so at that time how to simplify this one? We will bring only one sign. Okay, so you have to remember the standard operations. What are they? Plus into plus is equal to plus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Again minus into minus is equal to plus. So these standard operations you have to remember. Okay, no? Right. So here 7 by 3 plus this bracket you have to consider as into. Okay, plus into minus is minus. Okay, now so plus, the product of plus positive and negative is negative only. It gives minus 5 by 3. Okay, how to subtract these two? 7 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Okay, so here we have to do the addition. Okay, now we are adding these two. But here after simplification we got 7 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So what is the result? So we will see using the number line. See here I am representing the whole numbers on the number line, and observe here the denominators. What are the denominators of these two rational numbers? Yes, 3. That means two rational numbers having the same denominator. That means the denominator tells us the total number of equal parts. That is 3 equal parts. Observe carefully. Here 7 by 3. Numerator is 7. So that means numerator value is greater than the denominator. If the numerator value is greater than the denominator, we can call such type of fraction is a improper fraction. Okay, improper fraction is of numerator is always greater than 1 or equal. Right. Here such means this 7 means it is more than 1. Okay, na? So that's why I am dividing 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 3 equal parts. So it is, that is 0 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 3 by 3. So 3 by 3 is nothing but 1. Next 4 by 3, okay, 5 by 3 and 6 by 3. So here we need 7 by 3. 7 by 3. Next to 8 by 3. Next to 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is nothing but 3. Okay, observe here 0 to 1. It is divided into 3 equal parts. 1 to 2, 3 equal parts. 2 to 3, 3 equal parts. Okay, no? Right. Here 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is here. Okay, after 7, from 7 by 3 to minus means you have to move left side. Okay, now remember, if plus sign is there, you have to move right direction. If minus sign is there, move left direction. Right. Okay, so now from 7 by 3 to we have to move left side. Minus means left. So how many steps you have to move? 5 by 3 steps. Okay, that means 5 steps you have to move left side. From 7 by 3, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what is your destination place? 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Okay, without using a number line, how will you solve this one? If see simply 7 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Here the denominators are common. So that's why 3 as the denominator and subtract the numerators. That is 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 by 3. So like this we will find the addition of two rational numbers. So not only that, you can do subtraction also. Subtraction means simply if I will give here minus 7, here plus 5. So how will you show this one using the number line? So you will show that here minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3. Next minus 4 by 3, minus 5 by 3, minus 6 by 3, minus 7 by 3. 7 by 3 to you have to go plus 5 steps. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will reach at minus 2 by 3. Then you will get here minus 2 by 3. Okay, now subtraction we will do like that. Okay, is it clear children? Addition and subtraction also I explained here. Okay, subtraction means move left side, addition means move right side. Right. Okay, so if 4 by 3 and minus 4 by 3. So here 4 by 3. Here 4 by 3. Minus is there. Minus means we have to move 4 steps left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you reach at 0. 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. So exactly here see the addition of 4 by 3 and minus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. So 4 by 3 is 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 is additive inverse of 4 by 3. Additive inverse means addition inverse minus. Okay, plus 1 additive inverse is minus 1. So 2 additive inverse is minus 2. Minus 1 additive inverse is plus 1. Okay, so if 4 by 3 additive inverse is minus 4 by 3. If you add 2 rational numbers, you will get 0. So this one you have to remember in your mind. So suppose if the subtract multiplication. So how to do multiplication using the number line. Okay, so here minus 3 by 5 into 2. Minus 3 by 5 into 2. How to multiply? minus 3 by 5 into 2 using the number line. Using the number line. Similarly, same. So 0 to 1, 2. Okay, here minus 1, minus 1, next to minus 2, minus 3. Here minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 means each part is divided into how many equal parts? 3. 3 or 5? 5 equal parts. So the denominator tells here the total parts are 5 equal parts. So that means we have to divide right side or left side. So each side, left side and right side, you have to divide from 0 to minus 1, minus 1 to 2, 5 equal parts. Each part you have to divide into 5 equal parts. So that is 0 by 5, minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5. Okay. So next minus 4 by 5. And next minus 5 by 5. Minus 5 by 5 is nothing but minus 1. Right. Here next what will you get? Minus 6 by 5, minus 7 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 9 by 5. Next minus 10 by 5. Minus 10 by 5 is nothing but minus 2. Here negative rational number given. Minus 3 by 5 into 2. Actually 0 to minus 3 by 5. So how many times it is multiplying? 2 times. That means again from 3 to minus 3 5 to how many steps you have? So from 3 to 6. Okay. 2 steps. From 0 to 1 to minus 6 by 5 here. First step you reached at 0 to minus 3 by 5. Again minus 3 by 5 to minus 6 by 5. Suppose if 3 give, if 3 is there, how to do here? So one more step, you will reach there at minus 9 by 5. So this is the multiplication of whole numbers using the number line. Without using means how to do the multiplication? Minus 3 by 5 here, minus 3 by 5, there is no denominator, okay na? So then you can write 3 by 1. So now multiply, is there any cancellation? No. So you can multiply the numerators, you can multiply the denominators, don't multiply numerator, denominator. Only you have to cancel the numerator and the denominator only, right? Minus 3 into 3 by 5 into 1 is 5. Minus 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 9 by 5. Minus 9 by 5. So like this you have to do the multiplication. Okay. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 2? So that is 1 by 2. Okay. In the addition, additive inverse is addition inverse minus. Multiplication inverse division. So here 2 by 1. What is the inverse? 1 by 2. This is the multiplication inverse. Okay na? So you have to remember this all. And what about the division? Division means, so it is the division. Division is nothing but inverse multiplication. Okay. So that means 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So how to divide? So this one, that is 1 by 2. Division is the inverse na? Into. Inverse means reverse. So that is 1 by 2 reverse 2 by 1. 2 to cancel. Then it is equal to 1. Okay na? So like this, with using and without using, how to add, subtract, multiplication and divide. How to multiply, divide, addition, add and subtract the rational numbers you have learned. So okay, based on this you have totally 9.2 exercise problems are based on arithmetic operations. How to add, subtract, multiply, division. Okay, very simple and easy problems. So keep heading exercise 9.2 in your notebook. Right. So first question, that is find the sum. Find the sum. So sum means addition. Okay. 5 by 4 plus minus 11 by 4. Okay. See here, we have to find the sum. Sum means addition. Right. So first of all, 5 by 4 plus into, this one is you have to consider as into. The bracket is you have to consider as multiplication. Okay, no? Into. Right. So first given, right, 5 by 4 plus minus 11 by 4. We have to simplify this one, right? Because two signs are there. We know we have the standard operations now, that is plus into minus is equal to minus 11 by 4. So 5 by 4 minus 11 by 4. That means we have to subtract these two rational numbers. So here, can we subtract these two? Yes. Why? Because here the denominators are same. Then we can subtract only the numerators. 5 minus 11. Here 11 is more than 5. So that means you have to subtract minus 11 to 5. You will get 6. That is minus 6. Why? Because negative values are more. So that's why you have to give the negative sign. Minus 6 by 4. Minus 6 by 4. If you want to simplify, you can simplify. 2 3s, 2 2s. What is the lowest form? Minus 3 by 2. Okay, now children, so like this you have to do addition. Right. Next one, see, second one, 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5. 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5. See here. So 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5. First, before going to add the two rational numbers, check the numerators and the denominator. Here the denominators are not same. Then we have to find the LCM. Okay, LCM of 3 and 5. 3 5s are 15. 15. Then we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the LCM. 15. That is 5 by 3 into 15 plus 3 by 5 into 15 by 15. Right. Okay. Next, simplify 3 ones, 3 5s, 5 ones, 5 3s, 5 5s, 25 plus 3 3s, 9 by 15. Okay, 25 plus 9 how much? 34 by 15. Okay, right. Next, third one, see, third one minus 9 by 10 plus 22 by 5 minus 9 by 10 plus 22 by 15. Okay, so here also the denominators are different. We have to find the LCM. LCM of 10 and 15 is how much? So you can do here LCM 5 with 5. 5 2s, 5 3s. Again 2 1s. 3 is not divisible, so same value, right? Next, 3. 3 ones. Okay, right. So what is the LCM? 5 into 2 into 3. 5 2s, 10. 10 3s, 30. Now the LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Right. So by the LCM, you have to multiply the numerator and denominator. That is 9 by 10 into 30. 22 by 15 into 30 by 30. Okay. Next, so simplify. 10 ones, 10 3s. 15 ones, 15 2s. 9 3s, 27. In front of minus sign is there. Keep minus sign plus 22 2s. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s 4 by 30. Here minus 27 plus 44. 44 means positive values are more. So from positive to subtract negative value. 4 minus 7. No, so have to take bar. That is 14 minus 7. 7. Again value reduced. That is next 3 is there. 3 minus 2 is 1. Which 17 is plus or minus? Plus only. Why? Because 44 having the positive sign. Then you can write here 17 by 30. 17 by 30. Okay, students, next I am giving this remaining 4, 5, 6, 7 homework to you. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, in the exercise 9.2. First problem. Right. So next one, see, find subtraction of two rational numbers. So find 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. Okay, before going to subtract the two rational numbers, check their denominators. If the denominators are different, so find the LCM. LCM of 24 and 36 is. So find 24 and 36, that is 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 ones, 2 eights. Again 2 6, 2 nines. Next 2 threes. So 9 not divisible. So same number you write. Next by 3, 3 ones, 3 threes, and last 3 ones, 1. So what are the factors here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 twos, 4 twos, 8, 8 threes, 24, 24 threes, 72. So otherwise you multiply 3 fours 12, 3 to 6, 72. Okay, what is the LCM of 24 and 36? 72. Now by the LCM we have to multiply the numerator and denominator. So that is 7 by 24 into 72 minus 17 by 36 into 72 by 72. Next, it is cancelled by 24 ones, 24 threes. Again 36 ones, 36 twos. So next 7 threes, 21 minus 7 twos, 34 by 74. Here 21 minus 34. 34 value is, okay, 21 minus 34 by 72. Subtract 21 from minus 34. So that is, you will get 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So but here bigger number having the negative sign, you have to give the negative sign. Minus 13 by 72. So what is the answer? Minus 13 by 72. Right. Next, see the second one, third one, fourth one you have to do. In the second problem, second, third and fourth. Fifth one I will explain now. Minus 2, 1 by 9, minus 6. Here see, it is a mixed fraction. Okay, now 2, 1 by 9. So first of all, you have to convert this one into an improper fraction. So how to convert this one? 2 into 9 plus 1 by 9. It is equal to 2 nines are 18. 18 plus 1, 19 by 9. This value is minus 19 by 9 minus 6. Here there is, it is not in the form of a rational number. Okay, p by q. So that means you have to give the denominator as 1. Now it is easy to subtract. What is the LCM here? LCM of 9 and 1 is 9. Okay. So by the LCM we can multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator. That is minus 19 by 9 into 9 minus 6 by 1 into 9 by 9. Okay. 9 ones, 9 ones. So that is minus 9 minus, so 6 nines, 54 by 9. Minus 19 minus 15. Both are negative integers. So that is minus 19 to minus 15. If two negative integers means we have to add. That is 9 plus 4, 13. 5 plus 2, 7. So you have to add the two negative integer and give the negative sign. So we will get minus 73 by 9. Minus 73 by 9. Is it clear how to add, how to subtract? Now next come to the third row one, that is based on multiplication. Okay, right. Find the product First one, enter 9 by 2 into minus 7 by 4. 9 by 2 into, how to multiply? 9 by 2 into minus 7 by 4. How to multiply these two rational numbers? So here see 9 by 2 into minus 7 by 4. Check here, is there possibility to cancel the numerator and denominator? No, there is no possibilities. So you can multiply the numerators and the denominators. Okay, so 9 sevens 63, but here minus sign is there, minus 63 by 2 fours 8. So what is the product? Minus 63 by 8. And see second one, 3 by 10 into minus 9. Minus 9. So how to multiply this? Here it is not in the form of p by q. So you may write this one 1 minus 9 by 1. Now, so is there any possibility cancel? No. You can directly multiply the numerators and the denominators. Okay. So 3 nines are 27, but here minus sign is there, minus 27. 10 ones 10, minus 27 by 10 now. Okay children. So next see third one. So third one is what? Minus 6 by 5 into 9 by 11. 9 by 11. Similarly here also we have to multiply the numerators. That is minus 6 into 9 by 5 into 11. So 6 nines are 54. That is minus is there, minus 54 by 11 fives 55. Minus 54 by 55. So remaining in the third one 4, 5, 6 have to do. So these all are very easy. That's why I am giving to you homework. We have to solve these all problems. Okay. And the next division. Find the value of minus 4 divided by 2 by 3. Okay. So here minus 4 and 2 by 3. How to divide? So before going to divide the two rational numbers, these are in the form of p by q or not. Let us check. Minus 4. It is not in the p by q form. Then you have to write minus 4. Minus 4 as, very good, minus 4 by 1. Okay. Minus 4 by 1 divided by 2 by 3. Now division is the inverse of multiplication. So that is, it is the 2 by 3 will become reverse. 3 by 2. Now simplify 2 ones, 2 twos. Then what is the remaining value? Minus 2 into 3 by 1. So minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 by 1. Minus 6 by 1 is nothing but minus 6. Is it clear children? Very good. So next second one, see minus 3 by 5 divided by 2. Minus 3 by 5 divided by 2. So how to divide these two? Minus 3 by 5 divided by 2 by 1. Very good. 2 by 1. We have to write this one in the form of p by q. So if you write 1, then is there any change of value? No. So that you can write 2 by 1. Why? Because it is equal to 2 also. Right. Now 3 by 5. So it is the inverse. Okay. So it is inverse of multiplication. That is 2 by 1 becomes 1 by 2. Now, so there is no possibility to cancel. You can directly multiply the numerators and the denominators. So there minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 by 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. Okay, children. So next third one, see. Third one minus 4 by 5 divided by minus 3. How to divide this one? Same procedure. Minus 4 by 5 divided by minus 3 by, yes, very good, 1. Next, minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 1 will become 1 by 3. Okay, so here minus is there. Right. Next, so there is no possibility to cancel. So that's why I am multiplying the numerators. That is minus 4 into 1. Next to 5 into minus 3. So it gives 4 ones minus 4. 5 threes 15. That is minus. Here minus minus cancel. It is equal to 4 by 15. Okay, na? Very good. Last two, you have to do remaining all problems. That is 4. Okay, fourth problem, fifth problem, sixth, seventh. So these all problems you have to solve yourself. Okay, children. Up to now you have learned how to add the two rational numbers, how to subtract, how to multiply, how to divide the rational numbers. So what did I give? All homework problems you have to solve and post through the Google form only. Okay children, bye.